Hello, children. Do you want something new for today? Come and join Teacher Peter as we talk about common noun and proper noun. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, an animal, or an idea. Let's read these sentences. My friend borrowed my book. What are the nouns in this sentence? We have friend. The word friend is a noun used to name a person. And book. The word book is a noun used to name a thing. Let's have sentence number 2. My sister went to the park yesterday. What are the nouns in this sentence? We have sister. The word sister is a noun used to name a person. And park. The word park is a noun used to name a place. We have types of nouns, and in these types, we will focus only on the common noun and the proper noun. What is a common noun? Common nouns are general names. They name any person, animal, place, thing, or idea. And remember this, common nouns does not start with a capital letter unless it starts a sentence. Let's have our example sentences earlier. My friend borrowed my book. Our nouns here are friend and book. These are common nouns because it names general person and general thing. In our sentence number 2, our nouns are sister and the park. These are general names for person and place. These are common nouns, and they start with a small letter. Now, let's have proper noun. Proper nouns are unique names. They name a specific people, places, animals, things, or ideas. And remember this, proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Let's have our example earlier. My friend borrowed my book. Our nouns here are friend and book. Now, let's replace these nouns with a proper noun. Buboy borrowed my science book. Buboy is the name used to replace the common noun friend. And the word science book is the noun used to replace the common noun book. Buboy and science book are proper nouns. Let's have another example. In this sentence, our nouns are sister, and park. Let's replace these nouns with a proper noun. Jana went to Rizal Park yesterday. The proper noun used to replace sister is Jana, and the noun used to replace park is Rizal Park. Jana and Rizal Park are proper nouns. Now, let's have an activity, and this activity will be called What's the Catch? That's the Match. In this activity, we're going to tap the matching proper noun to its common noun. Repeat until all answers are gone. Let's begin. Our common noun is milk. What is the proper noun for milk? It's Alaska. Correct. Our common noun is hospital. What is the proper noun for hospital? It's St. Luke's Medical Center. Correct. Our common noun is singer. What is the proper noun for singer? Sarah Geronimo is our proper noun for singer. Correct. Our common noun is bookshop. What is the proper noun for bookshop? It's the National Bookstore. Correct. Lastly, our common noun is bird. What is the proper noun for bird? It's the Philippine eagle. Correct. Well done. This game is called Open Sesame. In this game, you're going to tap each box in turn to open them up and reveal the item inside. And you're going to choose whether the item is a common noun or a proper noun. Let's go! Let's tap the box number 1. Book. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? It is a common noun. Let's tap another box. Open Sesame. Engineer. Common noun or proper noun? It is a common noun. Next one. Open Sesame. Manila Cathedral. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? It's a proper noun. Let's open another box. Open Sesame. Alcohol. Is this a common noun or a proper noun? It's a common noun. Let's tap to open number 5. Open Sesame. Independence Day. Is Independence Day a common noun or a proper noun? It's a proper noun. How about number 6? Open Sesame. Ocean. ocean is a common noun. Let's open number 7. Open Sesame. Marikina City. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? It's a proper noun. And for our last box, let's open number 8. Open Sesame. Taal Volcano. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? It's a proper noun. Great job, kids. Well done. Now, let's have another game. And this game will be called Where You Belong. In this game, you're going to drag and drop each item into its correct group. Are you ready? Let's begin. First noun, Aling Celia. Common noun or proper noun? Alright. Next one, holiday. Common noun or proper noun? Senator. Common noun or proper noun? University of the Philippines. Common noun or proper noun? Cologne. Common noun or proper noun? Supermarket. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, nurse. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, EDSA. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, Manila Bay. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, National Heroes Day. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, Judy Ann Santos. Common noun or proper noun? Laptop. Common noun or proper noun? Sineskwela. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, Enchanted Kingdom. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, Highway. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, Cream O. Common noun or proper noun? Next one, author, common noun or proper noun? And lastly, school, common noun or proper noun? Let's check your answers. Wow, great job! Now, let's have our quadrant task. Your quadrant task is write at least 5 sentences using a common noun and a proper noun. I hope, children, you've learned something about our lesson for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Peter. See you next lesson. Goodbye.